walk, 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 spin, 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 spin. Stepping and sliding, run down on ops. I got niggas hiding from their own damn block. Walk, 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 spin, 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 spin. Walking and sliding and stepping and spinning and standing on bitches and standing on business.
Everything, oh, you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Hello, she take 3 days before she be. Yes. Wake her from 4. Please lick me. But mama looks so pretty. Oh my god. Breeze, the breeze, the breeze, the breeze. Hey besties. Yes man, because my clothes are the cleaning phone clothes apparently. So anyways besties, right now we're at Chick-fil-A and now we're gonna buy food. And we have Ariana here. What? And my clothes are shoe. Thank you. Y'all. Chick-fil-A is so expensive. I was like, why we spend so much money a while ago? But it's okay. It's cool. It's cool. Should I pay, but we not get the ice, so should I get one cup of ice? But we can't take the ice out of the juice. Anyways guys, we got Chick-fil-A. I do that 3 but some 16 I testify for you. I told that lie. You could go. That was so awkward. I don't got nobody just with you right now. The truth, I look better under you. I can't lose. Let the body attack. So hey besties, good morning. Oh shit, me I show the girl card. Anyway, so right now we're going Dunkin' Donuts. Goodbye. Donuts.
I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you the perfect one. Girl, when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy.
I left my tripod, I don't have my tripod, so I'm not gonna really do nothing. But we're in the supermarket. So we have to throw your water so far. Don't pass it. Don't put no in it. Everything's a joke. You see how they feel? She a bad for second fierce. She over here so now I thought about oh she more fierce but she little. She over here so talk about they don't want to make a mistake. Mommy over there so she over there so say if she wants it but she get it. Stop! You didn't know. Buy this one but no, that one here it don't nice. Prefer the coffee one. I don't like coffee, so I'm here must say I prefer the coffee one. I must know say it buzzing. That one here, nah. So your face looks so put on there. Brighty. Wrong one that you take up on. Eat. Read. Mini coffee almond, coffee crunch. See it here, the 20 bars. This is what they talk about. I say one Jamaican man Indian like my chill. Sir? Find your wife. I'm standing right in front of the car too. them are gonna beat you. Guys, but not gonna lie, the people live tired away and them upset. But the fox said we are walking and I make one back a video. If them trouble with me, I can't see them on the day of the video. We never ask Putin on the video. On the walking there, but no one see the camera. Why the people here try to test my feet? Don't do that. Basically, look after that. Mommy, make sure know what she buy. You know all of what she buy. But for now, she buy the coffee something, she buy ramen, cup soup, spam. Come. I know. I love you, I love you, love. Oh, open that there, teeth was serious.
Straight up, straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. Anything for clout.
Oh my god, my nose looks so good, brother. Oh my god, bro. The Chucky? You want a picture? Weird. Now look at all. Let me here. It's like a pickle, basically. Apples, vanilla ice cream, beers, bread. These are buffalo style chicken wings. Milk and orange juice. Oh my god, we name by no pickle for it. Champagne no, because we get cups of it.
I've been missing out the walk with the mint. I've been building up the blocks like a me. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my god, boy he got a Glock. Oh my god, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes.
The dirty animal start sauce, eh?
The brighty, the outer, the sauce tastes good. And I like that one still.
Mommy, bread there here?
Jesus, I buy
Do
bread.
we call it roll for the
Yeah man, I buy wait name the bread now.
Good morning, besties. So it's basically April 15th and it's 3:33. The time so hot that week here is spring break basically because every other state gets spring break like 2 weeks ago and we just get spring break, but that's at least that not really matter me still. Right now we're about to go to the beach. My mom apparently gone on the road left way. We're not really feeling away about it because we have food and we have money. Right, Louise? Right. Alright. Like for the sun is sunny, so you know, so we could get some content on the beach. Yesterday we never really Adidas never really did nothing. Tomorrow I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Tomorrow Giselle and Ariana wants to go to the beach, but I don't think I'm gonna go because like I don't know how to take the bus and I don't think my mom is gonna bring me. And I pierced my nose, but here's what it is. Guys, we're up on the road to walk. We live at the end of America. Literally. I let the chipmunks are crossing the road. My chipmunks is so pretty. Ready? Come here. Stop my floor, so. So not metal. There. Come on. Madalastikal, mabumastic she can do the 24 of pandemic. So we went into the gas station and we live in Arizona. Guys, my car declined a while ago. I used Apple Pay and it declined. But just show how rich. That not really bad way because we do it again and then it worked. But guess why it never worked? Because she locked my card. Because I told you it's a good idea. She locked my card and I didn't remember my card was locked. So, I'm rich. Chum not talk? Rich. It's thank God my sister rich for just cash up with her. Show them the cash up. Listen, Jay, just cash up me and maybe I have to pay out more. I'm to pay. Rich or what? We'll buy large pepperoni pizza.
But 2 Arizonas and shit.
3 Arizonas.
Oh yeah, 3, because we're greedy like that. We're rich, never broke.
Never.
What might I say? You're too soon. We're just kids.
We're rich.
You're too soon. We're just kids with iPhones then. We're broke kids. No. We're not poor. We're rich.
mad, we are mad out. Whoa, I'm mad, we are mad out. Can I get whoa, and I want to tell the mad out. Whoa, I'm mad, we are mad out. So, hey besties, now we're on the beach. We'll get the food. Have these little chipmunks here, so. Alvin, Simon, Theodore. No, me a Theodore.
Why?
Theodore, me.
Brother.
Hey besties. Oh my god, like, I'm so sorry. We have moved the bag back.
It's ugly, that piss me off.
Is that photo shoot?
Yeah. Before we eat the truth.
Dying.
Can't take more picture.
Picture me and then no to come watch you. Just say me, it's a ice cream walk. Miss Scooby come and me please. Hey. Live?
No, it dead.
So what you do with it? You send him back to him family? I'm not eating on the home too.
I can see I'm blind.
Alright, when we're done, video. Yeah, it does. No, and we learned it yesterday, 10 years. Alright. We are top band. I'm forget it. What about 2x? No. I told you I'll go with that. Let's have this.
I'm in a YouTube video. That's what I'm gonna do. You have to put the money out first.
Okay, now give me money.
Oh my god. He's a liar.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast, we do what we want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
You're okay? Big YouTuber. Ma, add to that. Crashing this, you know. I was just looking. She finna take the bus. Now. Good morning, bestie. Y'all okay? Y'all good? Today is April the 16th. It's 12:52. Basically, I'ma do my makeup. Y'all asked about 20 odd questions. Answer them all in this video while I do my makeup. I'm only using foundation, no powder, no face powder, no concealer. The first question was, I want to see you soon. I haven't seen you in so long. You know, I always wonder if I do the wrong one. I do the right one because this brighter. Do you like anyone right now? I don't know. No. Yeah, I do. I think. I'm not sure. I really like people, you know, because people too weird. When you say like people, what do y'all mean, like in general, or y'all talking about relationship wise? Because uno nosy, uno very nosy when it comes down to relationship. The next one was, what's one thing that you want to achieve the most in life? Strength. So we can't able for angle life. Because for deal with people, it's not easy, you know? To deal with people in this life, trust me, it's not easy. The next question was, what's your biggest pet peeve? People who annoy me. My biggest pet peeve is when people annoy me. Like, I'm the one that's supposed to be annoying people. I hate when people annoy me. And I don't even annoy people. Like, I just annoy people that I love. But the fact that it's not all the people that I love that is annoying me. Like, people overall be annoying me. It's annoying. Favorite fast food restaurant? Chipotle and Chick-fil-A. McDonald's. What's your favorite country that you've been to, and what countries do you want to travel to in the future? Dominican Republic was my favorite country that I traveled to because them speak Spanish and I actually learned the Spanish. What country do I want to travel to in the future? I'm not sure. That's not something that I think about. I don't think about countries that I want to travel to. I don't know why. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all and talk about Paris. Each time I ask somebody which country they want to travel to, they always say Paris. Why you follow? You follow too much. Stop the following. Like, favorite perfume. I don't have a favorite. Who have a favorite perfume? Any perfume that my mom buy her, we'll go to the store and see, and it smell good. I like it. I don't have a favorite perfume. What's your Starbucks order? My Starbucks order is caramel frap, no coffee, extra caramel drizzle. That's my Starbucks order. Like, don't play with me, sis. I don't like coffee. Like, since I moved to the US, since I've started to drink coffee, that's not something that I usually like. I'm still not like it, but I still drink it. Talking to anyone, I'm talking to y'all right now. Y'all gotta be more specific with these questions so I can answer what y'all really want me to answer. I know y'all love me and y'all don't want to be disrespectful. Asking me questions is not disrespectful. You could ask questions, I will answer them. I probably not give y'all a straightforward answer, but I will give y'all an answer that y'all could work with. So don't be afraid to ask me questions. How are you mentally? Oh my god, for the first in a long while, I had a mental breakdown. I think it was 2 days ago or 3 days ago. I had a mental breakdown. I was crying and then everything came back to me. Like, everything that I always put aside came back to me. And it made me cry more. There's a girl who will care 301 and by 302, I'm gonna care again. I just need that, like, with everything. So I just wanted to clear that up, like. So yeah, I had a mental breakdown about 2 or 3 days ago. How am I mentally now since I've just answered the question? I'm good, deadass. Am I lying? I don't know. And not to be honest, I really don't know when I'm not okay. That's crazy, that's crazy. But it's like, I don't really care about being okay. As long as I have money. As long as I have money, I don't care about being okay. Money don't bring happiness, but when I have money, I am happy. Not a question, but I look up to you. Keep going. Thank you. Always life overseas is fun, boring, fun again, boring. It's like the weather control how you feel over here. If it's too cold, you go bored because you go inside. If it's too hot, you go have fun. And then if it's in between, you go have fun and you go bored at the same time. So it's like the weather really control my life. Do you like your new school so far? I like my friends there. But the school in general, I don't know about that. But I forgot my base for that one day. I mean, they are my base, so I don't know who you have to ask my base for that question, but can't answer that. What's something you enjoy doing? Making content. I'm a content girly. I like to make content. I like when people watch me, see how I put things together, how I deal with certain situations, how I have fun. I like people to like see how to live life and stop being depressed, because like being depressed is not worth it. So that's something I enjoy doing. I enjoy being an influencer. I like making content. I love making content. Making contents are top tier. It's just like sitting in front of the camera. You actually talk to the camera, but then you have to edit the video, and then you have to post it, and then people are gonna like it, comment, tell you, oh, they like your life, da 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 da. Like, I enjoy making content. That's what I enjoy doing the most. And eating food. Not to talk about that. Age. You know, to be honest, I'm not gonna answer that, because if y'all were a real supporter, and y'all not a real supporter, y'all just asking questions, right? Because my date of birth, my age is literally in my bios. So if y'all was keeping in contact with whatever I post, y'all would have seen that I post my date of birth, my age. So I'm not gonna answer that. I'm sorry. Why are you so inspiring? I love to be inspired. That does. Like, I love it. But I don't know, just like when people see me do things and they actually be like, oh my god, I'm impressed. Yeah. Are you still doing CXC? I paid for my CXC before I left, and the money went down the drain because I did not do the CXC and the money was not refundable. So yeah. I want to get my food with, and don't say anything to me. Like, chill guys, we're not rich. The next question is, not a question, but girl, you look damn good. You're glowing. Thank you, mama. If it's a girl. Duh. But yeah, thank you. People come and people go. I have no time to be stressing over nobody. He is not God.
I can walk these bitches with no hand on my jewelry, my feet. And fun nigga saying what smell with TDG. I said smoke a weed.
Nigga dissing on us every pop up, you gon' DIE. I just nut it all up in all hoes, know that pussy geek.
And bitch that nigga try to make it this and we gon' make it leave.
Yeah, lang yan. Para mo face by Drew.
All my pretty girls to the floor. All the pretty boys. All my pretty.
My brain, I can barely think. Living like an alien. Let's fast forward. Mommy just called and said me to come outside. So, chop chop with the lip. So bye guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, bye.